Hey guys, welcome back to Cook with Tammy Live. I'm Tammy and today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy, delicious breakfast, guys. Yes, especially with back to school on the verge, we need to come up with not only delicious breakfasts for our kids, but also cost efficient. So without further ado, let's jump right in and get started. For our ingredients, of course, we have our breakfast sausages. Now, for this particular recipe, I am going to be using the all-natural turkey breakfast patties. Let me tell you something. These patties are so delicious. As you can see, it's made by Butterball, but it's absolutely delicious and it's turkey, so it's a little bit less in calories as well. Also for this recipe, we are going to be using our butter tasting Grand's flaky layered biscuits. These are always a winner, always delicious, guys. Something about the flakiness, I don't know what it is. Anyway, also we're going to be using some Gouda cheese, nice and smoky. Tastes absolutely great. It pairs really well with the sausages. And with all of that being said, let's get to cooking. First thing we're going to do is we have our baking sheet lined with foil paper. And of course, we don't want our biscuits, our delicious flaky biscuits, to get stuck to the foil. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in there with that non-stick cooking spray. Hit it off like that. Boom. And we are going to open our biscuits. Take off the wrapping like it's Christmas. And just take that thumb and go right in there and just like that. Sometimes you get a bigger pop. Sometimes it's not much of a pop. It all depends. But I don't know about you. I definitely love the sound that it makes every time you pop the biscuits open. And basically just layer it onto your baking sheet just like that, no particular order. It's not really going to get stuck together, so even if it's laid close, or should I say even if it's laid closely on the baking sheet, it's not a problem. Pop it into your oven. Of course, follow the directions on the back of the container. Allow it to fluff up and become nice and golden brown, and I'll show you guys what to do once we're done. And it's time for us to fry up our delicious sausage. Just added some oil to the skillet. Make sure we spread it all the way around. And we're about to add these sausages. Running out of space, aren't I? All right, that's cool. Allow it to do its thing. Allow it to brown up nicely. Once we're done, we're gonna flip it over. Shout out to everybody who's going back to school, or also shout out to those who may be schooling at home. Not to mention the college students. Big shout out to you guys. This is a cool and quick, easy, cost-efficient recipe for all my college students as well. Get yourself some Butterball sausages. What, $2.98 in Walmart. Get you a can of biscuits for $1.77. So far, what are we working with? We're under $5, right? Not to mention the cheese. I think the cheese was like maybe $2. So yep, for less than $6, you could get yourself a healthy, quick and easy, absolutely delicious breakfast. Time to turn these sausages over, just like that. Of course, you're gonna know when to turn it over. Trust me, there's nothing to it, guys, because you're gonna start to see like the edges right here turning brown, and that's the perfect indication as to when to flip it over without burning it. These are not quite done just yet, almost there. And of course, our sausages, they shrunk a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I had some more left over. I'm just going to add it to the pan, just like that. We are going to line these sausages up, just like that. Because guess what? It's time to have some fun. Fun, fun, fun. We are going to go in there with our Gouda slices. Just like that. And ignore the nail, guys. Trust me. I don't know what happened. Gel nails, pay a ton of money for what? And it still comes off. So just ignore that situation. Let's get our cheese on there. Oh my goodness, once this is all melted, it's gonna be so delicious. It's gonna be so tasty. Just like that. Get yourself a pan, not a pan, but get yourself a lid or a cover. Make sure you lower the flame really, really low at this point. Get a lid or a cover. Cover it down. Allow the cheese to melt onto these breakfast sausages, guys. And trust me, it's going to be everything. Adding the cheese really steps the flavor of the sausages up. All right, we have our biscuits here that are fresh out of the oven. They are hot. And like I said, they're the flaky biscuits, guys. So we are going to go in, separate the layers, Go back to the pan. Get that sausage. Check out that cheese pool. Yes. Put it right here just like that. We are going to assemble these bad boys. And we're going to close it down. And you know what? We have some layers up in here. So I am going to take it, add another one, just like this. And close it over. And we have a double sausage biscuit. Or should I say double sausage and cheese biscuit. Now, if you want to add some eggs to this, of course, knock yourself out. Scramble some eggs, add some eggs, and it will be absolutely delicious as well. Put it right there. I'm going to do one more, just like that. Get in there, separate those layers. Flaky, buttery layers. Nothing better. Gonna add it just like that. Admire the cheese pull, of course. Close it on down, just like that. Go in, take it, add it right there. Close it on down. And we got room for one more. We're gonna make a triple sausage and cheese biscuit breakfast sandwich. Check it out. Beautiful. 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 So we have our double sausage, egg, and cheese, and we have our triple sausage, egg, and cheese. Take your pick. Which one do you want? Perfect. And that's it, guys. Breakfast is served. Quick and easy, cost efficient, like I said earlier. And guess what? Absolutely fulfilling. Guaranteed to get you through those days where you are starving. Anyway, guys, as always, I don't even need to leave do I need to leave the ingredients in the description bar, guys? You tell me, or do I not? Because, I mean, it was pretty straightforward. I went through all of the ingredients, showed you exactly what to do. So, yeah, now all you got to do is just make it, finesse it, and you're done. Anyway, guys, as always, I'm your girl, Tammy, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye, guys. Enjoy breakfast.